Hi gang, Poppy here. Here it is. You see I've got the graduations all the way around, the number stamped there. And of course the machine cut graduations all the way around. The numbers correspond to the graduations. I didn't show the numbering, the calibration ring, because hey, I did it here in the computer room. It's quick and dirty. The numbers are all there. They're not going to move around, but I'm not all that happy with my numbering the ring. However, I don't have a pantograph engraving machine. I don't live near Stefan Gutzewinter. You know, in that case, I could post him the ring and say, "Would you please engrave this?" And if I plead convincingly enough, he would do a really good job. It's the pleading convincingly. And plus, no, I've got shorts on. But, I mean, did I want you guys watching my knobby, used to be hairy knees while I was banging the numbers onto that ring? No. Yeah. Okay. Rotary table. The ring's manufactured, cut, numbered. Two videos to go. I got to make the pointer since the ring sticks out. I need a pointer that comes out to the level where the ring is. And then I'm going to demonstrate it. Demonstrate it. I'm going to show you how it works. For now, good night from California.